So guys, today I'm going to use a paint stripper to take off the anti-fouling coats that the previous owner put on. 1, 2, 3, 4 coats. I want to take it off to back to the original fiberglass. And I found a recipe online to make the paint stripper yourself. And so let's give it a try and mix it up and see if it works. The ingredients that we need is cornstarch, 1 liter water, and hydrochloric acid. I'm going to mix it up now and see how it goes. First the water, 1 liter. Always pour water first. I have to put in 1 liter water, 100 grams of cornstarch. I don't know what it is, but this is 400, so I'm just going to eyeball it. Yeah, I guess it's about 100 or more. You mix it in the water. Okay, so cornstarch does not get thick with the cold water, it needs to get warm. How we are going to do this is with the reaction of the hydrochloric acid with I don't know, with the water or the cornstarch. So I'm just going to open this. Make sure you have protection on, eye protection and gloves. Anyway, I want to take off this cap, but I can't. Be very careful with this. I'm supposed to put in 100 milliliters. I have no idea. Okay, this is 450 milliliters, but it's not transparent, so I don't know how far I have to put. Anyway, I'm going to pour it in. I don't know what 100 ml looks like. Again, be very careful. Okay, that barely did anything. Okay, that looks more like it. A little more. Okay, that looks like 100 ml. I now mix it a little bit. And supposedly the hydrochloric acid is going to warm up the water and like that thicken the liquid. I'm going to put it a little bit in the sun also. So see you in a bit. I have a little bit in the sun, but I don't see this thickening at all, so I have to put more cornstarch, I guess. I think it would have been better to start with hot water. I added more cornstarch, I added more hydrochloric acid, and it's still water, it didn't do anything. So this is a fail at the moment. I'm hoping for the sun to heat it up a little bit, and we'll see in about 10 minutes, but at this moment it's a fail. I think I have to start over again with the hot water.